Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and at the same time see my screen. So today I want us to start off with the AUD-USD. This is what we have from yesterday. So yesterday we formed a high here. We formed a low here. So far the price is yet to break any of the levels which you've just drawn, the previous day's highest high and the previous day's lowest low. We have a very good high here. We have a very good high. We have a very good low. The price is inside this range here. So if the price can move upwards and touch this line, this may be a very good place to be looking for a sell from if the price does not break and close above it. But if the price should ascend and close above this line clearly, then we want to watch for a retracement back towards the same level to push the price to the upper side. But if the price breaks to the lower side, then we'd like to wait for a retracement back to the same point before we can continue to the lower side. So as it is right now, we are basically in a possible uptrend. We are expecting that the price is going to continue to move to the upper side. So we keep looking for buy orders, expecting us to extend much higher. On the flip side, if the price goes below this point, then we may see a move to the lower side. The other chart is Nzdusd. On this chart, we had a low here, a high, sorry. We had a high here, and we had a low here. So the price is also inside. It is inside the previous day's highest high and the previous day's lowest low. We do expect that if the price can go up to this point, this will be a good place to be looking for a sell from. And if the price should break below this line here, then this will be a good place to look for continuation to the other side. So we are just waiting to see what happens. If the price moves up and touches this level, we are going to be looking for a sell position. If the price moves down and touches this level, we are going to be looking for possible buy positions. That is, if it bounces off from this point, we'll be buying. If it breaks and closes below it, then that will be a good sign that we are now continuing to the lower side. So that is my opinion. That is my opinion on this chart. The other chart which I want us to have a look at, I want us to look at the Gbpusd. So on the Gbpusd, so far nothing much happened. We still have our resistance level here. We have our support level. This is the previous day's lowest low and the previous day's highest high. So we do expect that if the price goes up to this point, if it does break and close above it, then that will be a good sign that we are continuing to the upper side. And if the price bounces off from it, then this could be a very good place to be looking for a sell from. So we're just waiting to see what happens. We've marked this line as a very good resistance, where in case the price ascends above it, we will be continuing to the upper side. If the price bounces off from it, then the price may be reversing to the lower side. The other chart is Eurusd. So Eurusd so far should move in the same direction as the Gbpusd. They should move in the same direction. So if the Eurusd we are upwards, then we are also upwards on Gbpusd. So on this chart, you can see that I have a buy stop fixed already where the price is right now. But I don't want to say that this is a very good buy. This is not a very good buy. We are just waiting to see what happens. If the price touches this level, then we will be interested in what happens here. So if the price touches it, then we may see a continuation to the upper side. If the price does not touch it, then we may see a reversal downwards. But our target will be at this point here. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We are going to meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.